Children, one of the most beautiful creation of the Lord. In India, it is often believed that children are one among the other faces of the God. Children, despite their religion, color, caste, or country, are the same. Their innocence, their love, and the purity they hold within themselves is one of the most beautiful things in the world. Although these children are very innocent, but definitely not the world. Despite them being an angel, they are often the victims of pain and suffering. Throughout the world, many children live in areas where war and conflict is a part of everyday's life. According to the recent data, around 50 million children have been displaced from their homes. These children often turn into homeless orphans and become vulnerable to crime, violence, poverty, hunger, and what not. Therefore, every year on June 4th, the International Day of Innocent Victims of Aggression is celebrated to acknowledge the pain that these children around the globe have suffered. Hello, my name is Astha and you are watching News 47. Today is June 4th and our News 47 team is celebrating International Day of Innocent Victims of Aggression. Let us discuss about this day in detail. International Day of Innocent Children Victims of Aggression is celebrated on June 4th to acknowledge the pain of children who have gone through the sufferings of this world. It was started on August 19, 1982, where the UN General Assembly declared about this day as International Day of Innocent Children Victims of Aggression. This discussion was made during an emergency special session on the question of Palestinian children who were affected by the 1982 Lebanon War. Children are the victims of many wars and crimes. Emotional, physical, mental, and sexual abuse is also a reality for millions of children throughout the world. An estimated 200 million children a year are victims of sexual violence every year. The UN Sustainable Development Goal 16 promotes peaceful and inclusive society for the sustainable development. As a part of this goal, the UN hopes to end abuse, exploitation, trafficking, and all forms of violence against children by 2030. Countries where children are the least safe includes Pakistan, Egypt, Vietnam, China, Argentina, Russia, Nigeria, and Indonesia. There are many organizations that holds events on this day to spread awareness for the need to protect children. Some communities hold events to raise awareness about the realities of the violence against children. If you wish to help those children in need, you can participate by donating to an organization that works to prevent child abuse and helps abused children. You can also volunteer for a ministry or non-profit organization that helps children in need. Or you can organize or participate in a march that draws attention to violence against children. You can also do your part by spreading awareness on the social media using a hashtag called hashtag International Day of Innocent Children Victims of Aggression. These are some of the ways you can help the children in need. That's all for today. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.